What's up, guys? It's February 19th, 2025. Like we had a kind of a range day in a bull channel. We went sideways in the middle of the day, and then we broke out of that. And one-to-ones met there. Not of the full range, but of this leg, I think so. Yeah, so pretty nice day for the bulls. Bears got some action down here, like one pullback, leg two, trading range behavior, deep pullback, sideways price action in the open of the day. Big gap. Yesterday we had a big up, big down. So that's a TTR. I traded the Qs and it actually wasn't too bad. So daily chart, daily 15-minute. We are at the top of this bull channel. We've had 3 pushes up. This is an inside bar, so it depends how you want to count. You could say leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. At the previous swing high, this swing high, we still got to, bulls definitely want to get above the all-time high right here. And why did that happen? So yeah, gap down. Yesterday we have a rally, 77, what is that, 77, 78. Then we have a gap down, testing the well, this would be the breakout point. So you could say testing bar 63 is high. So here's a I just blanked out, excuse me. Okay, so bar 59, breakout bar. Then we go sideways for the majority of the day. Breakout, it reverses right back into this range. This range is testing this high here. We rally. So there's 3 legs down for the Bears. Not counting the gap down, leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. You could say leg 1, pull back, leg 2, because the reason I counted it like that is because the 1 is a new low. Then we pull back to a new high. So 2 breaks this trend line, double top, and then 4 is a new low. And see how this trend line gets broken with 6. So this could be 1 leg here. And then new low 7. Oh, excuse me, I meant to say, do you see this trend line being broken with 7? So let me show you guys the way I counted that one more time. Here's a leg because that's the start of the leg, and then bar 1 is the bottom of it. And then bar 2 breaks bar 1's high, so that's the start of the next leg. Like this, and then bar 5 is an inside bar, bar 6 is an inside bar, and then bar 7 breaks bar 4's high. So then that's the next leg down there like that. But that would really be more like this because these are 2 inside bars, so it's a bear flag. So 3 legs down. I'm going to go sideways. 8, 9, 10. 10 tries to break out above the EMA. If you're short here, I definitely think you have to start thinking about getting out. I remember seeing this bar. This was a nice rally, and then it sold off. So you could argue it closed below the EMA, but then 11, 12, that's follow through. That's 3 bull bars. If you think you're still gonna sell off, you're hoping for a bear trend, and we just got a bull micro channel pretty early in the trend, so might be range bound before trending price action. Strong breakout 13, bad follow through 14, 15 looks like a high one. Well, 15 is a high one. First pullback from 13 being the breakout, 14 being pullback, 15 is high one. More sellers above high ones in trading ranges, and we were in trading range, big up, big down. Dog, hope you can't hear him. And then we rally. 18 is testing the breakout point. 10, the really nice 3-bar micro channel. 19, 20, 21. Then we go sideways for a pullback. Excuse me, we go sideways, which is a pullback. And then 27 breaks out. Pullback 28, and then rally, climactic rally 29, 30, 31. 3 legs higher, leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. And then within the 3rd leg, if 27 was a new breakout, leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. So here's a nested wedge top. So here's a wedge, and then this is a nested wedge. Then we sell off 33 through 37. That's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bear bars in a row, trying to get its own second leg down. And a second leg just means 1 tick below 37 to complete this move. So leg 1, pull back, leg 2. This is actually a really nice trade from a setup perspective. Context is hard, I think, because we've been above the EMA for most of the day, and we're trading above the higher time frame EMA. However, What the heck? Yesterday, what? Yesterday we did get bear bars below the EMA, so there was some bearish pressure. Today's not the first like bear day, you know. So I don't know why that's like that. Anyways. Oh wait. Okay. So yeah, Sean to get its own second leg down, 42 through 45. 45 has a bad close, closing around the range lows of 37, 38. We rally. We rally for 46 to 50. Also 2 legs higher, 2 legs, 3 legs, wedge top, multiple legs. I'm counting it like this, like 1, pull back like 2, and then the 3 legs, like 1, pull back like 2, pull back like 3. And here's another version of 3 legs, pull back. This actually doesn't make a new high, so this is still within the trend line here. So you could say like 1, pull back. Don't really make a new high here, but we do make a new high here, so like 1 equals like 2 perspective. We could say, let's see, high of 31, low, put it to the bottom of the pullback, 45. Wow, look at that. And then it sells off. So from a major leg 1, leg 2 perspective, it was met. That's pretty cool. And it was more than met. What the heck? Okay, why is that? Anyways, you guys know I'm drawing up to bar 65's high. So here's the major leg 1, leg 2, and then within this, there's multiple legs. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2. And then, so leg 1, because there's a new low here, new high here. 45 does not make a new low, but it does break a low here, so it is a temporary new low, if that makes sense. So bears make a low, they break below here. Rally, bulls cannot make a new high, and then here, bears 45 make a new swing low. 1, pull back leg 2, second leg trap in a trading range, bull regime. This low is the start of the second leg from this low to that high, so we go from, so we measure it. So we put this leg down here from the new low, and then we project it, and which is actually met on 59, but then we rally for a couple ticks higher, 65. That's a major leg 1, leg 2. I don't really look for leg 1, leg 2s like that. I look for more of a, is this Sean to get second leg? Yes. Okay, it gets a second leg. Is this Sean to get second leg? Yes, it gets a second leg. Is 27 Sean to get second leg? Yes, but it's the overall third leg higher, so I don't actually know if that's the best trade to take. And then I look at it from a, okay, is this Sean to get second leg? Yes. I actually did not take the shorts. I was looking long. Okay, 4 bars in a row. Is this Sean to get second leg? I think this has a higher probable chance of getting a second leg than this, although this did get a second leg, but we're in a bull regime. We've had bull pressure, bull closes from yesterday, so I think this deserves a second leg as well, and that gets met here with 49. Leg 1, pullback leg 2. This pullback's a little too deep for me. If I have a limit order here, I'm getting stopped out anyways, so I might have to buy again scalp, or I'll see how I would handle that. Then I ask myself, is this Sean to get second leg? Yeah, it is. However, excuse me. However, this is also the third push up, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. So it favors trading range behavior. But after 5 pushes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's breakout mode. So I'm looking for a breakout, and that breakout comes with 57. That gets 3 legs higher. Leg 1, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, and then we go sideways, second leg trap, 65. 3 bars down, 66, 67, 68, leg 1, pull back leg 2, that's met. Then we go sideways, big up, big down, tight trading range. Look at bar 67, bar 70 is testing the breakout point here. I think that's a good limit order, and it sells off. You make 1R very quickly. The bears that shorted here made 1R very quickly, sold off. So here are the gaps. Trending range days, gaps get closed. Trending days, gaps typically stay open. So here, these gaps are staying open for the most part. Here and here. This 45 is testing this gap here, but then the 19 body 19 gap stays open. This gets closed. Look, trading range behavior. We're coming to the third leg. 28's gap, 33's gap, it gets closed right here. So this gap gets closed here. These two gaps get closed on this way up. These two gaps get closed on the way down. These two gaps right here get closed on the way up. And then you see how when we have a good breakout, it traps limit order traders. So how do limit order traders get trapped? Limit order traders are going to bet that the breakout is going to fail. So that means they're putting limit orders at trading range highs, buy low, sell high, except in this case, bar 57, which is showing breakout trapping all the limit order traders. And you can see that traders are willing to scalp the breakout point here. So because the bar 58 bulls made 1R very quickly, and that would work with 72. You put a limit order to buy there, make 1R, and they did it. Oh no, they didn't do it again. That's a leg one pullback, leg two. Leg one, pullback, leg two. Leg one, pullback, leg two. Let me see what the. Oh yeah, okay. So they didn't really make a new low. That's at 183 is a higher low. Yeah. Pretty. So we had a bull trend, but it's more trading range behavior. Like, look at it. We have a leg up, then it's trading range. Then we have a breakout, but then that wraps back into it. So the market cycle is breakout, channel, trading range. Here we have the breakout. 14 starts the channel opposite par. The market starts channeling higher. On a higher time frame, this is a breakout. And then we have this as the first opposite bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is that? The 25-minute chart. 20-minute. See? Reversing. This is all one bar. This is the first breakout. It's the same concept. How this is. It's the same thing. First reversal channel. What was it? 20-minute. And then breakout, first bar, first reversal starts the channel. Then we should go into trading range. Doesn't really matter the time frame. Market cycle happens everywhere, every coin, every stock, every yada yada yada. Hope you guys had a good one. If you learned something, share the show. I really appreciate it. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna start streaming again most likely next week. I just gotta walk this weekend and take it easy. I did pretty good today. I'm up scalping a lot. I got a little bit of a swing. So I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one, everyone. Thank you for your time. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye.